in the grade 9 applied math course is on solving problems involving linear relations. Remember, linear just means straight. As you can see, Charlie loves this lesson. He thinks this one's lots of fun. Before you move on, you want to be able to use data given to you in a question to find an equation. So it looks really hard at first. When you see, if I showed you the last question first, you'd be like, I have no clue. And you'll see that it's actually not so bad. But where we're going to start is with table of values and actually writing up a table of values given a graph. And this is something I know that you'll be able to do. If you're given, between 0 and 100 euros in this case, so this graph is a relationship between the European dollar and it's a Canadian dollar or American dollar, but American or Canadian dollars here and the European dollar here. What's the relationship? How could you go from one to the other? And the first thing, this one's asking just to come up with a table of values. So if you're given this number euros, how many dollars is that? And all I'm doing here, okay, is reading it off the graph. So 0, 0. So it'll be 0 euros is $0. That makes sense. And then $20 come up and across. 28. There's some estimating when you're reading from a graph, right? 40 euros come up and across. 56. 60 euros come up and across, and I called that 84. Excuse me. 80 euros come up, right? So all I'm doing is looking at the euros part, coming up to where my graph is, and reading across on the y-axis. Okay? Okay, so you're going to turn off your video and try the couple of questions that I have that are related. And when you're finished, you can come back to here. And I'll join you on the next video.